Good afternoon. Here's another post from the vintage 1980s Barbie haul that I got from my mom's house last week. I found Barbie's pet kitty, and what has survived over the years is this little bag of kitten nibbles, the cat itself, and this cute little scratching pad. And the cat has little Velcro on the bottom of their paws so they can actually stick to the post, the scratching post. And this is the before. It's a little dirty. I'm going to do a little cleanup on Kitty. And then I will post the after later. So please subscribe, hit like, leave comments on if you remember this cat's name and what year it was from, or anything else below. And see you again. Bye-bye.